Hello, I wanted to go over how to do the career investigation assignment. In this particular example, I'm using the engineering and tech career investigation, but this would work with any of my career investigation assignments. So first thing to do is to open the assignment. Notice here in the information where it's usually just giving you information you need to know about the assignment, it is also telling you to read step 2 very carefully. So I read the assignment, I see that I'm going to be learning about careers using a website. So I'm going to go to this website, I'm going to click on it to open it. And I'm going to come back to the directions so that I know what to do. Then I'm going to scroll down on that website and click the button that says View All Careers. So not Explore Careers, I want to scroll down until I see this button that says View All Careers, and I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to come back to the directions. Oh, here's step 2. It told me to pay attention to that. I'm going to research 3 of the following careers, and I have been given a choice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 careers that relate to this class. So I'm going to pick 3 of those 8 to do my assignment on. Not any career found in the website, because this website's amazing and it has a ton of different careers. And I definitely highly encourage you to investigate any careers that you know that you are interested in. It's a great website. However, for this assignment, I need you to be researching careers that have to do with our class. So next I'm going to click on the blue link in the digital materials section. I'm going to scroll down here to the digital materials section. I see a blue link. I want to click on that. Do not go to the document and do file, make a copy. It's fixable, but that's a mistake. That is only for group assessments. I want to come up here. I want to click the blue link. That will open up the Google Doc where I'm going to do my work. Again, it says engineering tech career investigations. So it says you need to pick 3 of the following careers to research, highlighted in yellow, and it lists the careers again. So please make sure you're using 3 of those 8 to do the research for this. So for example, I need to pick 3 of the following careers. So I have career 1, career 2, and career 3. I'm going to be getting the same information about each career, just 3 different careers. So if I come back to the Explore Careers on the Career Girls website, all of the careers that they have, every single career that they have is listed alphabetically. So again, we're looking for the ones that have to do with this class, which is why I've listed them both here and here on the assignment. They're alphabetical, so I'm going to do industrial engineer just so I can see those other 2 go by first. So there's biomedical engineer, industrial designer, and industrial engineer. I click on the career that I chose to investigate, and it tells me what I need to know. First, it gives me an overview. If I look at here, first thing I need to do is say which career I chose. Then it says summarize the career overview in your own words. That means that you are not to copy and paste. You need to reword it to the best of your understanding. Whenever I'm asking you to reword something, I am not looking for you to be 100% correct. I am looking for you to tell me your middle school human being understanding of what you've read. What is this career like? Well, you'll notice here the next question is, what is this career like? Again, I don't want you to copy and paste. I want you to read that and then summarize it, give me your understanding of what that is. Then the next one. Which of the needed skills are you strongest in, and how do you know? So again, the next section is needed skills. So the needed skills for this job are creativity, critical thinking, listening skills, math skills, problem solving skills, speaking skills, and writing skills. Which 1, 2, 3 of those skills do you think you're already really strong in, and how do you know that you're strong in those? And then the next question, which if you know me as a teacher, you're probably anticipating, which of those skills do you need work on developing? So basically, which of these skills are you best at, and which of these skills are you not best at that you need to work on? Please make sure you're answering in sentences and you're including detail. So you'll notice it says which of the skills are you strongest in, so then you just list the skill I am strongest in and you list your skills. And then it asks, how do you know? So then I want you to tell me, how do you know you're strong in those skills? This one says, which ones do you need to work on developing, and how are you going to get better at that? how much money is earned from the career. Again, what is the pay? What's the outlook? What education is required? But you'll notice the questions just go in order. When you get to the what kind of education is required, that'll tell you if you need a college degree or a technical school certificate, all different kinds of things. But it says click on the link in the education section and look at the course names and tell at least 2 courses that you think would sound interesting and why you think they'd be interesting. Let me show you how to do that because that can be a little confusing sometimes. So I click on the what education is required, and then right here at the end, there's a link. So if I click on that, it tells me all the different classes that I could take at college or technical school for that particular thing. And you might not have any idea what one of those courses is. That's absolutely okay. Like maybe you have no idea what risk analysis for transportation and logistics systems in. That's okay. Maybe you want to take that class because you want to learn what that is, or you think the words sound interesting. I can't tell you your opinion. I just want you to pick a few classes that you think would be interesting and tell me why you think those would be interesting. After that, it says now that you've finished your research on this career, you can scroll down and watch some of the related role model videos if you want to learn more on your own. So that, I believe I go back to here. Yep. So I go back to the regular part about the industrial engineer. So each career has a video at the top and then it has related careers at the bottom. You can kind of see what engineering would be like and what other options there are to get into engineering. And you do that 3 times. Make sure you're using complete sentences, lots of details. When you are all the way done, you come back down to the blue link area. It does not show up on my screen, but you have that blue submit button right here. When you click on that and it goes through correctly, underneath there it will say in black text submitted on, and it does do it in military time, so if it says 1743 you're fine. It will tell you the day. If you go to submit and it says that your session has expired, do not freak out. It is okay. All you need to do is hit refresh at the top of the page and hit submit again. Everything will be fine. All of your work is in your Google Doc where it is saved. If you do run into some issues, remember I have all of these directions how to submit your work, as well as if you made a mistake, what the most common mistake is and how to fix it. Please let me know if you have any additional questions. You can reach me on Canvas, email, and Remind. Thank you.